Kade's not impressed.
Oh, it doesn't say no caravan.
We attempt to take our 22-foot caravan down a 42-year-old track, dodging shrubs and tackling deep bog holes.
Give this one a go?
We can give it a go.
Was this a good idea? Let's find out. This is the Holland Track.
Right, we finally have got to the sign I've been waiting for, but Kade's not impressed.
Oh, it doesn't say no caravan, so it should be right, but it just says 28 PSI in the tyres, channel 28, full drive at all times. This part does concern me. The car's fine, it's just the caravan. The caravan's going to be the problem. But anyway, we'll see how we go. So we're here, obviously, near Emu Rock. Yeah, so from here on, let's see how we go.
From here on, let's go. Woo! Hoorah! The caravan's going to fall into the deepest part. Is that okay? It's just after that obstacle we come around the corner and Kate said, oh no, it's getting tight. So no hard shrubs. Thank goodness.
Just gonna lean over hard here, and I gotta watch this tray on the right.
Yeah, I'll jump on the other side. Oh, Jesus. All right, I think we're probably gonna pull up here. I don't know if this is...
pull up over here on the flat rock here somewhere, and I think we should fly the drone up and have a look.
Yeah, righto. Yeah, we're just gonna pull up here because when I looked on satellite maps, it didn't look too bad. But it's, you know, as always, never know. So I'm gonna pull up here. We're pulling up at Flat Rocks Campground, but this isn't the actual spot on Google Maps, but I mean, kind of looks like a flat rock campground. So have a look and see. Big boy's worried, so just double check.
After a bit more satellite map stalking, reality kicked in. There was no way the caravan was making it down most of this track. So we parked it up and pressed on without it.
All right, so just getting out to show you why we couldn't bring the caravan. Like, look at this. Like, I don't even know if the car's definitely gonna hit all this. Lucky Kade put the aerials down. Righto, mate, send it through. Thank goodness for that tough bar. Oh! You just brought the whole tree with you. Yeah, that there is why we couldn't bring the caravan any further. And we don't know what the rest is like. This is all we walked to, so let's keep going. Off the main road, we have hit our first little mud hole. It's not a big mud hole. We'll see if we get a bit boggy. Oh no, that's fine. Totally fine. And around the corner we got another one. Oh, you didn't even drop into it. Woo! Oh, hang on a second, here we go. Got more.
No, this one's got shit sticking out of it.
Yeah, we're not going on that one. We're not going on that one, no. Yeah, unfortunately when people go to check bog holes, they leave the sticks in them sometimes. So, not good for the rest of us. Oh my goodness. There's so much sludge in that. Easy. Continue on. Bloody rocks in tyres.
Yeah, rocks in the brake.
We're just going to roll the car so Kade can hear. We don't want any breakages happening in the middle of nowhere when we've got no help, so.
Okay, so we got some rocks jammed in the brakes already. First mud hole, really. Just go forward. Rightio.
This is gonna be a long day. We've literally done like, I don't even know, 10 Ks. Let's take like an hour. We have found the rock though, so we won't be listening to this squeal.
Just there. Oh, I might need a flathead screwdriver.
Another flathead?
Yeah.
The flathead screwdriver saved the day and our ears, and we kept rolling. You can't always remove them, but it's worth trying because they love chewing through and doing damage.
Yeah, it doesn't look real good.
No, so it's almost a 40-degree angle there.
Lifting a wheel.
Yeah, wheel it back right.
Okay, coming along and we see this. Yes, there's a chicken track. We're going to try and see how deep this big one is.
We don't have a real good poking stick.
We don't have a good poking stick, no.
Not real deep.
Which one do you want to go?
I don't know. Give this one a go.
We can give it a go. Not too bad.
That's boggy.
You gotta hit it a bit harder.
We're going to have to hit it harder and commit, otherwise we're going to get stuck.
Oh my god! That got deep real quick. How do you feel?
Lucky I committed because that was bogging down proper, eh?
That was.
My
Wow.
car is filthy
The
now.
car is covered in silty mud.
Oh no, keep on keeping on.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that was as we went in, I was like, oh, because
Oh,
there's nothing
no.
to winch off around here.
No.
We're traveling solo.
Yeah.
And then like, as I went in, I was like, that's soft if I don't commit, and then committed, and it was just like, fucking hold on.
Hold on for the ride. Alright, let's go.
Next one.
We pushed on, and there were heaps of little mud holes from a bit of rain. Nothing wild enough to film though. But if this track had been more wet, totally different story. It would have been a whole new level of chaos and definitely recovery vehicle territory.
Okay, so just pulled up. We're having a little bit of lunch just because we've been on the track for a while. But what we're going to do is test how deep some of these bog holes are with Millie. Look at her, she's loving it already.
Millie, test
What are you
the ball.
doing? Hey, you want the ball? Come on, come here. Ready, ready, ready? Get it. Get it. Oh, it sunk. The ball sunk.
Oh no! Oh, this is devastating.
Her favourite ball.
Millie, get the ball. Where
Look how
is it?
muddy she is. She's so sick. You're standing on your ball. That's where it went. Straight in there.
It is so boggy.
I know, she's struggling.
She
Look at
was
her.
struggling to get out. Here, what's this? Quick, get
Here,
the
get the
ball.
ball.
Get
Get the
it.
ball. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Get it, Millie. Yeah, come on.
It must have stuck in the mud when I
Yeah.
threw it. Oh my goodness. Look
Guess
at
who's getting
you.
the bath tonight?
Look at you.
Oh,
You
good dog.
dirty dog.
Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. There's just heaps of these little bog holes everywhere. It's like every 5 seconds you turn around a corner, there's another bog hole. Now look at the side of this car. Disgusting. But wait, there's more. What has happened now?
I've just turned the car off. This is why we don't like driving through stuff with sticks and that lodged in them.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Look under here. Look at the stick. Just missed the brake lines.
Oh my goodness.
The fuel tank and everything. Crazy, eh?
Goodness gracious.
Oh, lucky it was only just sitting there. But yeah, literally just sitting there like that.
Watch your back.
Yeah.
So there are plenty of campsites on this track. As you can see, there's multiple huge openings like this you can pull up at. But there's also some designated ones. We took a photo when we first started. Excuse me. Took a photo when we first started the track. And there was like designated campgrounds, but people have just made campgrounds everywhere, like, and they're all quite pretty.
Yeah.
So lots of big flat open areas. So if there's one spot that's full of people, even though we haven't seen a single other person, but you can just continue on to the next one. But I think we're nearing the end of our little journey soon, so see how we go for the last leg.
We made it.
We made it.
So we've done about sort of half the track, to be honest.
Yeah, but the thing for us is our caravan is 200 k's back that way. So we're stopping here, we're heading back to the caravan, and we're gonna have a nice fire and all that tonight, hopefully.
Yeah, should be
So,
good.
yeah.
Relax, because as you would have seen, it's just pretty rough old track. We're just bouncing the whole way, but
Bounced, yeah.
surprisingly dry. Like, obviously you're seeing there's a few big wet patches still.
Yeah, anyways, let's get back in the car and head to camp, hey?
Keep going.
Yeah, get a well-earned rum into us.
Okay, guys. We have made it back to camp. Thanks so much if you've made it this far in the video. Yeah, so the Holland Track was quite a good track, but now it's time to just take a break for the day, relax, get the fire going and sit back and enjoy the afternoon. What do you reckon, Bab?
Yeah, all done. Yep. I wish we could have done more of the Holland Track.
Come over here and talk.
Not too bad. I wish we could have done more of the track, but because we got the caravan and we thought we could make it the whole way, but
That's quite a long track.
is what it is. Someone didn't do their research properly.
Well, at the start we're taking the caravan with us, but as you would have seen in the video, that's not going to happen with a big caravan.
No, but challenges out there. If anyone else has a 22-foot caravan,
Drag it down there.
drag it down there. We want to see it.
Let us know.
Let us know. But we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.